In this video, we're going to be looking at expanded noun phrases. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, an object, an animal, an idea, or a feeling. For example, puppy, cup, or happiness. A noun phrase is a noun and the words that modify it. Determiners start noun phrases. For example, a guitar, the meerkat, an apple. These can also be called simple noun phrases. An expanded noun phrase gives more detail and usually includes an adjective. For example, the hungry koala or a sharp pencil. If there are two or more adjectives together to describe the noun, a comma needs to be used to separate them. For example, the bright, colourful hats. An expanded noun phrase may contain a prepositional phrase, which will contain a preposition and give more detail about the noun, such as where it is. For example, the eagle in the sky or the girl with the red top. Sometimes an expanded noun phrase will include a determiner, an adjective, and a prepositional phrase. Some tasty eclairs in the bakery, or that tiny kitten with the bow. It's important to note that noun phrases do not contain any verbs. Now let's have a look at the first question. You are going to circle the noun phrase in the sentence. The large, ferocious dinosaur roared angrily. To solve this question, look for the noun in the sentence. It is dinosaur. Which words modify the word dinosaur? Large and ferocious are adjectives which describe what the dinosaur is like, and the is the determiner, which is the start of the noun phrase. So the noun phrase is the large, ferocious dinosaur. Roared is a verb. Remember that noun phrases don't contain verbs, so it cannot be a part of the expanded noun phrase. Hoo-yah! In this next question, you are going to tick which answer is the noun phrase from the sentence. The light paper plane with a pointed edge soared across the room. Number 1, the paper plane with a. Number 2, the light paper plane with a pointed edge. Number 3, soared across the room. Or number 4, a pointed edge soared across the room. Pause the video and press play when you have an answer. How did you get on? Did you spot the noun phrase? If you look at options 3 and 4, they both contain verbs. We can eliminate these options straight away, as we know noun phrases don't contain any verbs. Now let's identify the main noun in the sentence. Well done if you worked out that it was plane. Let's look closely to see which words modify it. Light and paper describe what the plane is like, and we know that noun phrases start with determiners. We can see that the determiner here is the. This noun phrase also included a prepositional phrase to give more information about what the paper plane was like. This was with a pointed edge. Therefore, the correct option was number 2, the light paper plane with a pointed edge. Well done if you got that one correct. Hoo-yah! Now it's time for our final question. You are going to write a noun phrase which contains at least 3 words to complete the following sentence. Make sure you also remember to include all of the correct punctuation. Mariam flew across the sea on... You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you may just wish to say your answer out loud. Pause your video now and hit play when you are ready. Do you have an answer? Excellent. In this sentence, we had a picture to help us create a noun phrase. This won't always be the case in some questions or test papers, so you need to use the rest of the sentence to help you. This is quite an open-ended question, so there may be various responses. Remember how to form your noun phrase. You'll need a determiner, a noun, and then either an adjective or a prepositional phrase. Some of your answers could be the green dragon or a dragon with scaly skin. If you decided to include more than one adjective, remember to add the comma to separate them, such as the large, friendly dragon. How did you get on? Hoo-yah! Very well done if you got any of those questions correct. If you're looking for any more videos just like this one, make sure you head to the Twinkl website to check them out. See you next time.